Hi there, today we're checking out the Surviveware Waterproof Premium Survival First Aid Kit, designed for emergencies. This kit includes 110 essential first aid supplies to treat minor wounds, cuts, scrapes, and burns quickly. It features labeled compartments, so you can find exactly what you need without any mess or delay. Made with 100% waterproof material and watertight zippers, it keeps everything dry even underwater up to 1 meter deep. Weighing just 1 pound and equipped with MOLLE-compatible straps, it's easy to carry on backpacks, belts, or EDC bags. Created by adventurers for adventurers, this kit offers peace of mind during travel, camping, or outdoor emergencies. Plus, it includes a removable CPR mask, extra internal sleeves, and a first aid guide for added convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.